Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Dollar.bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go in for new tab and searching for a Dollar.bank.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Dollar.bank, you scroll to the little down. Here you can see login to online banking at the right panel. There you need to provide your account credential, then click on login where you will get directly logged in into the online banking account of Dollar.bank. As we are going to recover our password, you need to click on the link given, that is forgot password, reset and unlock. Here to recover your password, first of all you need to provide your user ID. Then you go in for providing your social security number. Here, after you provide both the details, you click on submit where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to reset your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online bank account password of Dollar.bank. Thank you.